I want.
Any other questions?
Yeah. You take $10,000 out of social general fund.
No.
How you gonna pay the bills?
You did get $10,000. What are you talking about
For you,
here?
Helen. Go, Helen.
Take it out.
$10,000 surplus
Yeah, well, I was looking at
in the general fund.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then if you take all that money out of there and there isn't enough money to pay the bills, how are you gonna pay the bills?
Well, we don't know yet until we know what that audit is.
Oh,
I
okay.
can tell you.
But then how are you gonna say?
We won't know till we hear from the state.
Yeah, but how can you approve it
Thank you.
if you don't know?
That's right. Go for it, Helen. Go for it.
What do you mean, how can you prove it if you don't know?
Okay. How do I wanna say this?
See, this money will go back into your liquid fuels
But you
money
can't
anyway.
use that to pay bills.
Yeah,
No.
I know that. But
And you have, they will give you a certain amount of time to pay that too. You don't have to pay that all at once.
back in the general
Yeah,
fund.
and then all back into the liquid fuel. Liquid fuel. You don't have to pay that all at once. They may give you 3, 4, 5 years to pay it,
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Never happened.
okay?
okay.
Never
They
happened.
may not.
No. Never happened.
Oh, wait a minute, I got a correction.
A copy from the Department of Transportation. Dear Mrs. Marasta, based on additional information provided in your fax of January 18, 2006, and various conversations with borough staff, we are waiving 50% of the required reimbursement in the amount of $10,108.31 for the finding of non-compliance with the borough code, failure to maintain price quotations contained in your borough's liquid fuels tax fund audit prepared by the Department of the Auditor General for the period of January 1st, 2002 to December 31st, 2003. Therefore, we are requesting your municipality reimburse its liquid fuels tax fund in the amount of $5,054.15. When this reimbursement has been made, please send a copy of this letter and the deposit information to our office at the above noted address. This reimbursement should be included on line 2 of the actual use report for the period in which the deposit was made. Future liquid fuels allocations will be contingent upon proper reimbursement. If you have any questions, need additional training or information, please contact Jason Tanny at the number provided. Sincerely, Brian T. Hanesco, Manager. That one is Jason. This is from the Thompson. This is from PennDOT. Director Borough, dear municipal officials, I'm pleased to inform you that your liquid fuel tax fund allocation in the amount of $17,861.34 will be paid on April 10th. $17,861.34.
Any other comment, public comment?
I got a couple. What's the status of the $10,000 that the PennDOT people were looking for?
I didn't hear you.
The $10,000 that PennDOT wants back, what's the status of that?
The status of it?
Yeah.
We had it correspondence here.
I'm asking you a question.
The status of it is, we are going to pay that bill tonight from general fund to liquid fuels.
Okay.
And our liquid fuels will be released April 10th.
PennDOT, Bureau of Municipal Services. Dear Ms. Travis, the Borough of Municipal Services acknowledges receipt of your deposit information dated April 4, 2006, showing a deposit to its liquid fuels account in the amount of $5,054.15. This reimbursement was made as a result of a finding contained in your liquid fuels audit performed by the Department of the Auditor General for the period January 1st, 2002 to December 31st, 2003. No further action is required by you on this matter. This is from the
public
Yeah.
participation.
Yeah, actually I did, I asked before. When you said you were sending 15,000, I was just wondering what we were doing different. But I see you're transferring money out of the FEMA account to the general fund.
Okay?
All right, I have one thing. I wanted to make a notation after my treasurer's report was read. Most of the year I've been reflecting $5,054.15 that had been a finding, and we had reimbursed that from general to state. All year I assumed it had been done. I found out from the bank it had not been done. I've since taken care of that, and I've alerted PennDOT of what had happened and that it is now taken care of. So I wanted to make that as part of the meeting.
So the
Do you
transfer
look
from
at
the
each
general
statement
fund?
Yes, I
that
do.
comes in?
Yes, I do.
Each statement that come in has
Yes.
the money
And I
shown
was
there.
working with Marilyn Haskins from
But
the
each
bank.
and every
And
from
each and
April
every
on
month I
down,
called her
and why wasn't it resolved?
because I was working with her to have it resolved, and it is now resolved.
It took almost 8 months to resolve it.
Are you at the bank looking at bank statements?
It was almost that long to
Are
resolve
you at
it.
the bank looking at
Knowing
bank
what I was
statements?
doing and how I got the information.
It's
The point
resolved,
is-
let's move on.
Yes, Louis, taken care of.
Taken care of.
Let's drop it. Would that reflect anything on how paperwork was filled out for borrowing the money? Having $5,000 difference from the general to the state?
No, it's been reflected as it's been in the state all along, and it has if it's been in the general.
But it hasn't been reflected in the general.
It has been reflected in the general and treasurer's reports, because I was assured by Marilyn Haskins each month that she was gonna make the transfer.
From the general fund.
Yes.
Okay, public comment now.
Be contacted, and President Roan offered to do so. The Secretary explained an audit finding earlier in the year prompted a $5,054.15 transfer from general funds to liquid fuel funds. She told of a check written, never clearing the bank, and explained how she worked with the bank officials to rectify the problem. As of this meeting, she told the situation has been resolved. Prior
The only thing I would say on that, Kirk, is where the deposit is in the minutes where it's in the 30th of December. Is that gonna screw our audit up? Where it was actually deposited the 3rd of January?
Why would it?
Well, discrepancy of dates, is what I'm saying.
I'm not following what you're getting at.
This is just correction of minutes. Yeah, just minutes. I'm not sure Jack is proper on the minutes. If the minutes accurately recorded what was done at the meeting, I probably isn't over it this time.
I hear a motion to approve the minutes.
I'll make a motion to approve the minutes, right? Oh, I got one more thing.